Understanding the phrase, for real. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss, something you've probably heard quite a lot in movies, TV shows, and maybe even in everyday conversations. We are going to talk about the phrase, for real. What does it mean, and how do we use it in different contexts? Stay tuned, and let's get started. For real is a phrase that is often used in informal settings, and it can carry different meanings based on the context. The phrase itself is made up of two words, for, a preposition, and real, an adjective that means genuine or authentic. When combined, they create a phrase that generally implies authenticity or truth. Now, let's delve into the different ways for real can be used. Subsection 2.1. Expressing surprise or disbelief. Sometimes, for real is used to express surprise or disbelief. For example, Person A, I just won the lottery. Person B, for real? In this context, Person B is expressing disbelief and is asking Person A if they are being truthful about winning the lottery. Subsection 2.2. Confirming sincerity. For real can also be used to confirm sincerity or ask if someone is being genuine. For example, are you for real? You're actually going to quit your job and travel the world? Here, the speaker is asking for confirmation, wondering if the other person is truly serious about their decision. Subsection 2.3. Affirming truth. Additionally, for real can be used to affirm that something is true or genuine. For example, this is for real, I'm not joking. In this example, the speaker is emphasizing that they are being sincere and truthful. Now that we've seen some examples, let's talk about how to incorporate for real into sentences. I can't believe she's moving to Paris for real. He's for real the best player on the team. Remember, for real is informal and more commonly used in spoken English. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide on how to understand and use the phrase, for real. We hope this video has clarified the different meanings and uses of this popular phrase. Don't forget to practice using it in sentences to really get the hang of it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.